Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi. So for this video, I will be explaining you the operators block in Scratch. So let's get started. So the first block is addition block. So over here, there are two gaps where we can fill whatever number we want. So in the first one, I'll fill 2, and in the second one, I'll fill 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. When I click on this, I'll get the answer as 5. And we can also use it over here. Like we can use it in the round blocks. Like in this, we can fit this. Wherever there is round block, we can fit these blocks. Okay. Second block is subtraction block. It's the same as addition block, but it will just subtract. So if I write 3 over here and 2 over here, the answer will be 1. It's showing 1. Now multiplication. Multiplication, I'll do 2 and 2. So when I click on this, the answer comes 4. This is division. So 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay. Now this is pick random 1 to 10. So like if we want a random number between some numbers, then we can use this block. So if I want a random number between 1 to 10, so when I click over here, I got a random number 2, 10, 7, 9, 1, 4, 5, 5, 4. Like this, we can get any random numbers, and we can increase the numbers. Suppose I want it from 1 to 100. Any number between 1 to 100 or 1 to 100. 1 and 100. So when I click over here, I get any number. Like this. Next is this block, which is some number greater than 50. Okay, so suppose if I write 9 greater than 50. So is 9 greater than 50? No, it isn't. So it will say false. If I write 100 is greater than 50. So when I click over here, yes, 100 is greater than 50. So it will show true. Next one is some number less than 50. So, and we can also change this number over here, okay? Now, if I want 10. 10 is less than 50. When I click over here, true. Yes, 10 is less than 50. But when I click, when I write 60 is less than 50, that is false, so it will show false. Okay, next is equals to. So if I write 20 is equals to 50, it isn't equals to 50, so it will show false. If I write over here 50 is equals to 50, so then it will show true. Next one is AND block. So this shape over here is a hexagon shape. So this block will fit, these 3 blocks can fit over here. Like this. Okay. Now AND block. So if I want to write, like if I take these 2 blocks, if 20 greater than 50, no. Okay, right. I write 60 greater than 50 and 70 greater than 50. If the condition is 60 is greater than 50 and 70 is greater than 50, both of these numbers are greater than 50, then it will do some particular thing, whatever. We can use this in if condition. Okay, so this is what the AND block does. This is OR block, like this or this number. So if I take these 2 blocks again, so if 60 is greater than 50 or 70 is greater than 50, 60 or 70, 60 या फिर 70, one of these both numbers is greater than 50, then only it will do something, like whatever is the code. And there is a NOT block. So okay, so it's like this block is if 70 is not greater than 50, not 70 is greater than 50. Like if 70 is not greater than 50, then only something will happen, like whatever the code is. Next is join apple banana. So this is like we can use any two words over here or any two numbers or anything, and we can join both of these. Like here it is apple and banana. So if we click on join, then it will join it, apple banana. If I write little genius and then Chhavi over here, then when I click over here, it will join little genius Chhavi. I just need to give a space over here, like little genius Chhavi, like this. Okay. Letter 1 of apple. Like if we want to know the letter or the number, whatever, of a particular word, then we can use this block. Like letter 1 of apple. So in apple, the letter 1, first letter is A. So it's showing A. Letter 1 of apple, A. Now if I want letter 3 of apple, so the letter 3 is P, so A, P, P, so it's P, so it's showing P. Next is length of apple. Like length is how many letters are there in apple. So there are 5, so 5, it's showing 5. This is, does apple contain A and then question mark. We use this as a question. Does Chhavi contain A? When I click here, true. Does little contain A? So little doesn't have A, so it will show false. Next is mod. Mod is modulus. So 10 mod 2 is 0. Like that. So this is modulus. Modulus means remainder. Okay, so 10 divided by 2, if we do, then there will be no remainder. So that's why it's showing 0. Next is round. Round is round off, like rounded off to, we say no, like that. So if I write, and it will round off the decimal numbers, okay. So if I write 2.3, so it will round it off to 2. If I write 2.7, then it will round it off to 3, like that. If I write 5.6, then it will round off to 6, like this. Next is, this block is like absolute. There are many things over here. So I'll cover the main things, like main 4, there are main 4, first, second, third and fourth are main. So I'll teach that one, I'll show that one. Okay, so the first one is absolute of 6. So absolute of 6 is 6. Then absolute of 3, so absolute of 3 is 3, like that. Okay, next is floor. Floor means that floor is on the ground. So whatever number it is there, like even if I write 2.7, it will round it off to 2 only. No matter whatever, it will round it off to the lowest number, which is like 2. Okay. And the ceiling does the opposite of it. It will do, like ceiling is on the, like on the roof, it's up. So it does it rounds off to the other number. Like even if I write 2.3, it will round it off to 3, like that. Next is square root. Square root of 9 is 3, like that. Square root of 64 is 8, like that. Okay, so this was the operators block in Scratch. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi. Thank you.